guys, it's me, Caitlin, and this week we were doing a room tour theme, so yeah, I just gave you guys a tour of my room for this video, so you guys will see that in this. Yeah, so let's just get into this video. I don't want to make the intro that long, but I hope you guys have a great week. So when you walk into my room, there's just this corner, and I don't really have anything on here, but I just have a thing that says caution, don't slam the door, because there's a hole in the wall. I just have some pictures right here just hanging because they have tape on the back of them, and I haven't taken off the tape yet, and they don't really go with the setup of how I have my pictures now, so I have to wait till I get more pictures printed to put those up. And I have my old speakers I will sometimes use just because my iHome doesn't fit my phone on it. And then I have some tape, and then my TV and this cabinet, and I barely use my TV now, and my cabinet just has a bunch of stuff in it, and yeah. And on my wall above my desk right now, I just have my One Direction ticket from this past summer, and then I have a calendar. On top of my desk here, I just have some makeup in this container I got at Target, and then just some, what are these called, photo booth pictures from when I hang out with Rachel and her brother. And then my EOS lip balms and some hand sanitizers. And then my Naked 3 palette, my Elf Beauty book, and Natural Eyes. This just has a bunch more makeup. And then here I just have some necklaces I don't wear because I never wear jewelry. And then here I just have a bunch of random stuff. My 5 sauce ticket, my nail polishes, well, some of them, and then some change there, and then just my makeup brushes. I got this for Christmas a couple years ago, and I had to put new pictures in it, and then I just have these empty little baskets from Target. I have this mini whiteboard just with some to-dos for the day, and then my 5 sauce EP. I just have my sweet tea because I had sweet tea this morning from McDonald's, and then my mirror. And then my desk just pretty much has a bunch of stuff in it, so I'm not going to go through it. But underneath there, I just keep my mirror box, and then my iHome that I don't use in the box, and that's pretty much it. And I have a blanket on my over here to this area, and here I just have a lamp. I have my yearbook from freshman year last year here, and then this little thing that I got from Target that I had to fill up with stuff, and then my old mirror that I will sometimes use, and then I have a candle and just a little collection of things, and then some panoramics from like middle school and stuff just right now. But here I just have perfumes and like deodorant and my One Direction perfume. My coconut body butter that I got for Christmas like a year ago, not this past Christmas, but the year before, from my friend Allison. Then I have all my candles down here from Bath & Body Works, and just this chest drawer has a bunch of some clothing in here, not really like clothes I wear anymore, and then just a bunch of papers and stuff. Bed, and I just have my laptop on it right now because I'm listening to music, and my bed's kind of like messed up right now, but my bedspread is from, I think, Macy's, and if I find it on the website, I'll link it down below because I know they still have it. And then up top is nothing right now, and my walls are lavender, if you don't know that already. And then it gets to this area. Over here I have my backpack and my nightstand, and down here I have electronic wires and all of that jazz. And this is just a wreck right now to clean out this drawer. And on here, my cousin left her napkin. Then up here, I just have some thumbnails, cord charger for my phone. And then I just found this the other day. This is a little keychain that I found the other day from like 2 years ago that I got when I went to Legoland with my friend for my birthday. I have my earphones, and then I have a picture here that I should hang up. And then the phone charger thing, and then my phone's charging, and yeah, here's my phone, and then here. So this hat said memories up here, but it kind of came off. But this I'm going to hang up above my bed, but I need to get stuff to hang it up with. So it's just hanging out in that corner right now. And this is just an old whiteboard with a bunch of pictures. And yeah. It's a really awkward angle, but this is my wall, and I know my camera's sideways right now. I don't care really. On my room in my closet, I just have some of my purses. I have a ton of purses, but they're mostly downstairs, so yeah, I just have some that I don't really use that often, but I do use this one a lot. I have a bunch of pictures around my closet, and the pictures are kind of falling off already, but yeah, I haven't put up my 5 sauce concert pictures yet. I haven't put up my 5 sauce pictures yet, but I'm going to do that when I get a ton more pictures printed, because I need more to finish this wall. And then here I have an In-N-Out sticker. I stuck this here like 4 years ago. I regret it because now I can't get it off, but you know what? In-N-Out represents me from Cali. I hope you guys liked my room tour. I know it wasn't the best like filming at all, but I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Make sure to leave us theme requests down below for the next few weeks. And yeah, guys, next week. Bye, guys.